Hi, this is Darlene, and I'd like to show you a little traveler's notebook that I made as part of the April Hi, this is Darlene. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to show you a traveler's notebook that I've completed this month as part of the April A to Z Anything Goes Finish It challenge for Dear Julie. And this is one of the journals that I hadn't completed, and so I just want to show it to you quickly. This is using two kits. One is from digital from SnapClick, that is the I Love Crafting, and the other one is a faith-based one. I will have the links to those below, and I also used Dear Julie, one of Dear Julie's, and I will have the link to it below also. And so these have some beautiful images, and they go so lovely with Julie's kit. This is from her Eco Dyed Easter kit, the brights one, I believe. It's been a while since I put this kit together, so I can't remember exactly which ones, but I will put it in the description box below. I just felt that it went really nice. This is mainly for keeping track of her crafts and her anything that she wants to keep track of, and she can put it in her purse. And just little notes, and she does crocheting, so she can do little notes, and she writes up her own patterns and stuff, so gives her a place to do that as well. And then this is the center. It's just a little flap and a little pocket. There's a lot of beautiful images on here. In Christ alone my hope is found. This one says faith, hope, charity, love, faith, truth, grace, mercy. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. And then there's just a whole to-do list here, and then it just closes like that, and this flips over like that. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll come back to see. I've now completed 5 journals during this challenge, and I will be uploading the rest of them soon. Bye now.